happening, guys? It's your boy. So it feels like it's been a hot minute since the last time that we actually sat down on a chair and talked, which is not something that I thought I'd be doing anytime soon. But it's one of those situations that it's kind of has to be, because it can't be in the car. So basically, long story short, the car park next to my block of flats isn't owned by the block of flats or the individual owners. My residency doesn't come with a private parking space. It's just an open parking space owned by somebody, and this somebody didn't like the look of my car sitting in their car park with no license plate and a broken wishbone. So that company decided that it was going to phone the scrappies and check the car, and if it didn't belong to anyone, then get it scrapped. And basically what they seen as evidence would show it seemed like that it didn't belong to anyone yet. There was quite a few things in the car that would tend to suggest that it belonged to somebody. But it's a long story short. So anyway, scrap heap company came, took the car, threw it in their crusher. Just straight to the scrap heap, went through their paperwork, got crushed. Fortunately, my mother was on the trail trying to find where the car was, got in touch with the scrap heap company. They were in the process of crushing the car, but they hadn't done it fully, so the owner of the scrap heap, went in and managed to get the toolbox that is my best mate's, the jack stands that are my boss's, and the jack that came with the car. Everything else is gone. The bucket seats, the harnesses, the hydraulic handbrake, the other hydraulic handbrake, the car, and just everything. It's all gone. So the only fortunate thing that comes out of it is that the owner of the scrap heap knew who my mother was when she went to go over to pick up the things, and realised who each other were, and it turns out they were friends from once upon a time, and got to chatting. Ronnie is the guy's name, had asked my mother what I was planning on doing with the car. She said going drifting in August in Golspie. Now the guy said that he would find me another car. It might not be the same one, it might be a different platform altogether, it might be a completely different BMW, but it is what it is. It's only about a day's worth of work that's been put into the car, and a video. For memory purposes on my phone, I have to delete it. So, and it actually got corrupted. I was gonna try and upload it, but it got corrupted, and I couldn't use the footage. So, it makes no difference either way. So, but bit of a kick in the balls, to say the least. Starting from square one, and I'm already down a month. So, but the next one, hopefully, I don't understand how, but hopefully it'll be better, maybe. Could be anything, I have no idea. But, hey ho, get a new car. It's fine. Sure as hell I'm not gonna have it here. Back at my old flat in Culloden that my father owns, there is private parking. including the fact that I lived there for 4 years and I have many neighbours that I got on with really, really well. So they'll be able to look out for it. I'm pretty sure my brother's going to be moving into the flat that I was previously in. He's going to be moving into that flat anyway, so he can watch over the car. So it's a huge bonus. It's an eye opener. It's take more thought into what you're doing, and learned it the hard way. A couple of £100 worth. I say a couple, it's not a couple, it's more than a couple. Anyway, on a positive note, because I need one, this game, for those of you that don't know, this is my driving license. This, for those of you that don't know, this is what I've been waiting for the last 3 years. And I couldn't be happier. Granted, insurance might be a wee bit of a tricky one, but the speed limit's only 60, so you know, getting up to 60 will be the fun. But yeah, I'm incredibly delighted about this. Delighted. So hopefully new car soon for that. That'll be coming out of my pocket, which I'm very much looking forward to. Hopefully it will be signed. Anything that I get is getting modified. So I'll be able to take you guys with me for that, which I'm very much looking forward to. And yeah, so down a project car, up a project car, up a license, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. I'm still 1 up, so I'm gonna consider it a win, and just need to get through the week and we'll be as happy as Larry. But with that being said, we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As usual, please comment, like, subscribe. Comment something nice, because good vibes only. Anyway, enjoy your night. I know I will. I've just had a bath. I'm gonna go for... My bed's giving me a look. Oh, if it's late enough. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your night. God bless you. Thank you so much. Toodaloo.